So you've pounded in a nail, almost finished, and you realize it's not in the right place. The wood is moved a little bit, and you'd really like to get that flush. Okay, we can pull the nail out. It's a lot of work to pull out a long nail like this, but with a long hammer, it's not too bad. What helps is if I can put something, not my fingers, but put a board under here and pull it up, like we just did, and that could help to pull it up. Even then, we're stressing a lot. You might want several boards moving slowly, always keeping snug to the head like that so we get a maximum pressure right here. Now there is another hammer, if you're willing to pay the price. This is a longer hammer. It's longer than most. It's not heavier because it's made out of titanium, but it is more expensive. It's about $350. So not a lot of people are going to buy it. One of the things besides replaceable heads is that it has a special groove here that the titanium allows us to pull this kind of a nail out. And then it slides in and just catches like that. Then I get to a good position of leverage, and I just pull that right out with no real sweat.